The BYD has unveiled a new technology.
BYD stands for Build Your Dreams. BYD is a high-tech, pioneer company.
BYD wasn't always a household name. Once a small battery manufacturer in China, it's now the company that surprised the world by surpassing Tesla in electric vehicle sales. How did a company many people had never heard of become the fastest-growing EV giant? And what does it mean for the future of electric cars, technology, and global markets? By the end of this video, you'll see why BYD's story isn't just about cars, it's about strategy, innovation, and a bold vision that shook the EV world. BYD, short for Build Your Dreams, started in 1,995 inches, Shenzhen, China, focusing on rechargeable batteries. For years, it was just another supplier, making components for electronics and vehicles. The turning point came in 2003, when BYD decided to enter the car market. The company began producing traditional gasoline cars, but quickly realized that the real opportunity was electric vehicles. BYD's first EVs weren't flashy. They were practical, affordable, and built for the Chinese market, which was hungry for clean, cost-effective transportation. Unlike Tesla, which focused on premium electric cars for Western markets, BYD aimed for volume and accessibility. It invested heavily in battery technology, developing its own iron phosphate battery, safer, cheaper, and more durable than what many competitors were using. By 2015, BYD had already established itself as a serious EV contender in China, with buses, taxis, and passenger cars running on its electric power. This laid the foundation for the explosive growth that would come later. BYD's rise wasn't just luck. It was careful planning, smart partnerships, and a focus on scale. First, the company understood its home market, China. The government was pushing electric vehicles with subsidies, incentives, and stricter emissions rules. BYD seized this opportunity, producing cars and buses that were affordable, reliable, and ready for mass adoption. Second, BYD controlled its entire supply chain. Unlike Tesla, which initially struggled with battery production and supply bottlenecks, BYD made its own batteries, motors, and components. This vertical integration meant lower costs, faster production, and higher margins. In 2020 and 2021, while Tesla was busy expanding globally, BYD focused on domestic dominance. Its EV sales surged year after year, not just for private cars but also for electric buses and commercial vehicles. Cities like Shenzhen ran entire bus fleets on BYD batteries, proving the technology at scale. But the boldest move came with BYD's Blade battery in 2021. It was longer lasting, safer, and cheaper than competitors' batteries. This gave BYD a major edge in both price and safety, key factors for consumers who had been skeptical about EVs. Then came the international push. BYD started exporting vehicles to Europe, Latin America, and Asia, targeting markets where Tesla had strong brand recognition but higher prices. By offering high-quality EVs at lower costs, BYD attracted buyers who wanted electric cars without paying Tesla's premium. And here's the twist: BYD didn't chase the luxury image. It focused on everyday users, practicality, and reliability, while Tesla concentrated on high-end, performance-driven vehicles. This strategy allowed BYD to sell more cars, faster, and surpass Tesla in total EV deliveries in 2023. BYD's rapid rise wasn't without obstacles. Even as it surpassed Tesla in EV deliveries, the company faced intense competition, technological challenges, and global skepticism. First, there's the Tesla factor. Tesla remains a global icon. Its brand, charging infrastructure, and technology still make it the go-to choice for many buyers in North America and Europe. BYD had to prove that its cars weren't just cheaper, they were high quality, reliable, and desirable. Second, international expansion brought logistical and regulatory hurdles. Every country has different safety standards, import rules, and consumer expectations. BYD had to adapt its models for each market, often redesigning features, adding certifications, and building local partnerships. Third, the EV market is heating up. BYD had to innovate continuously, improving battery efficiency, software, and vehicle design. And let's not forget public perception. For years, Chinese car brands were seen as lower quality alternatives. BYD had to work hard to shift global opinion, proving that a Chinese EV could outperform or match Western rivals. Marketing, awards, and real-world performance became critical. Yet, BYD's biggest challenge might be sustaining growth. EV demand is booming now, But future competition, price wars, and changing government incentives could slow momentum. How BYD manages its supply chain, technology edge, and brand perception will determine whether it remains the world's top EV seller, or just a flash in the pan. Looking ahead, BYD isn't just trying to keep pace, it's aiming to reshape the global EV landscape. One key focus is battery technology. BYD continues to improve its Blade battery, making it safer, more efficient, and longer lasting. This technology not only powers cars but also has potential applications in buses, trucks, and even energy storage, giving BYD a diverse revenue stream beyond private vehicles. Next is global expansion. BYD is targeting markets where EV adoption is growing fast, such as Europe, Latin America, and parts of Asia. Instead of just exporting cars, BYD is exploring local manufacturing partnerships to cut costs, meet regulations, and strengthen brand presence. Software is another frontier. BYD is investing in connected vehicle systems, smart features, and autonomous driving tech. While Tesla often dominates headlines for self-driving, BYD is quietly building practical, reliable technology that appeals to everyday drivers. And the strategy is clear: affordable, reliable, and scalable EVs. While Tesla focuses on high-end models and luxury branding, BYD is capturing the mass market, ensuring a broad customer base and steady growth. The ripple effect of BYD's rise is already visible. Other automakers are adjusting strategies, governments are taking note, and global EV prices are becoming more competitive. BYD's story shows that innovation, scale, and smart strategy can shift the balance in a highly competitive industry. The future is not just about selling cars. It's about sustainability, technology, leadership, and market influence. BYD aims to lead on all three fronts, challenging assumptions about who dominates the EV world. BYD's journey from a small Chinese automaker to a global EV leader is a story of vision, strategy, and relentless execution. By controlling its supply chain, innovating in battery technology, and focusing on practical, reliable vehicles, BYD has surpassed Tesla in deliveries and captured the attention of the world. But the road ahead is still full of challenges. International competition, evolving regulations, and shifting consumer expectations will test BYD's ability to maintain its lead while continuing to innovate. One thing is clear: BYD has changed the conversation about electric vehicles. It's no longer just about luxury EVs or headline-grabbing innovations. Affordability, scale, and real-world reliability are now just as important, and BYD is leading the way. As the EV market grows, the question isn't whether BYD will continue to rise. It's how high it can go and whether it can reshape the global automotive industry for years to come. If you found this deep dive into BYD's rise interesting, make sure to subscribe for more insights into the companies and innovations shaping our world. The EV revolution is just getting started, and BYD is right at the center of it.
Centralizes everything: engine, brakes, sensors.